Namaste children, this is Manisha Sehgal from the Department of English and today I am back with my series of tenses. So in this video I am going to discuss about future tense. There are four kinds: simple future, future continuous, future perfect and future perfect continuous. So let me talk about first of all future simple. It has three forms: going to form, present continuous and will. Going to form is used when we want to express plans and intentions. Its rule is subject plus ismr, going to plus verb in root form. Root form means first form or present form. For example, we are going to play a friendly match tomorrow. Now in this sentence, I am talking about my plans. Fine? Next example, the employees are going to press for pay revision. Now let me talk about present continuous with a future meaning. We use the present continuous tense to express a future action if the speaker knows that something is going to happen because an arrangement has already been made. The rule of present continuous is ismr plus verb in ing form. For example, Preeti is getting married next week. We are leaving for New York on Friday. So what is the difference between going to form and present continuous? In going to form, we are talking about our plans. We are going to play a friendly match tomorrow. But if there is fixed arrangement, like we are leaving for New York on Friday, this is a fixed arrangement. Because here Friday is mentioned. It means for sure we are leaving for New York on Friday. And one more example, Preeti is getting married next week. Now in this sentence also there are fixed arrangement that next week Preeti is getting married. Now will. Will is used to talk about instant decisions, offers and promises. Its rule is subject plus will plus verb in base form. It means first form of verb and or present form of verb. For example, I will open the door for you. Now this is offer, that I will open the door for you. Thanks for the book. I will return it by Sunday. Now this is promise that I will return it by Sunday. So will is used for instant decisions, offers and promises. Now let me talk about future continuous tense. What is the rule of future continuous tense? Subject plus will be plus verb in ing form. We use this tense to express an action which will be in progress, which will be in continuity at a given moment in the future. For example, at this time next Monday, we will be celebrating your birthday. So it is used to express an action which will be in progress at a given moment in the future. Fine. Future continuous. It means something which will be in continuity in future. For example, tomorrow at 6 p.m., Mr. Grover will be flying to Paris. Now how to make negative? Subject plus will shall plus not plus be plus verb in ing form. Now let me talk about future perfect tense. What is the rule of future perfect tense? It is future, so we already know that in future we use will shall, and perfect tenses we use has have. So the rule goes like this: subject plus will have or shall have plus past participle or V3. Fine. We use this tense to express an action completed before a given future moment. For example, by the end of this year, he will have completed graduation. So in the future, this action would be completed. Now let me talk about future perfect continuous. The rule of future perfect continuous is subject plus will shall plus have plus be plus ing form of verb. Let me quote an example. By 5 o'clock, Minu will have been sitting in meditation for 2 hours. We use this tense to express an action which will begin before a given moment in the future and will continue up to that moment and